어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 고인 이불 속에서 고인은 언제나 너에게 고인.
Hello everyone, in this opportunity we will explore the ontological, epistemological and axiological concept of the Islamization of science and how that affects our understanding of science in the Islamic context. Let us together explore this fascinating concept and understand how the Islamization of science can make a valuable contribution to the development of science globally. Okay, let's go. For the first background to the Islamization of science. The Islamization of science is an attempt to integrate Islamic principles, values, and concepts into modern science. This involves a deeper understanding of the ontological or reality and existence, epistemological or source of knowledge and how to acquire them, and then axiological or values and ethics in an Islamic context. The Islamization of science aims to ensure that science doesn't contradict religious values and enrich Muslim contribution to global scientific development. Short story, the process of Islamization of science has essentially been going on since the beginning of the entry of Islam, namely from the time of the Prophet Muhammad SAW to our present time. Muslims in 1250 experienced a desolate and were divided. A group of Sufis was born who were looking for an escape to develop knowledge, while this group of Sufis also contributed to the desolate of Islam, because in 18,000 to 19,000 AD, science was almost not noticed well. Then Muslim scientists also realized that they would lend about science to the West, but the scientists, when studying in the West, brought the new ideas to Islamic countries. So, the scholar Muslim scientists were born to Islamic teaching, well, like the West with the scholar idea. The emergence of several scientists such as Sheikh Najib al-Atlas and Ismail Raji al-Faruqi is considered the initiator of the Islamization of science, or the movement to restore the scientific path that has Islamic roots. Science only acts as tool or device to process and ultimately available result. The ultimate goal of using this tool is to earn the pleasure of Allah. Therefore, Islam does not deny human freedom in using science as long as there are no violation of good rules that make him angry. Okay, next is ontological dimension. Ontology in the context of the Islamization of science refers to the understanding of reality and existence from an Islamic perspective. It involves the integration of Islam's ontological concept into our understanding of human existence and the relationship between the two. Thus, ontologically based Islamization of science aims to enrich the ontological perspective in modern science with concepts derived from Islamic teaching, such as the concept of Tawhid or oneness of God and other metaphysical concepts that are relevant in understanding reality. Epistemological dimension. Epistemology in the context of the Islamization of science refers to the source of knowledge, how to obtain knowledge, and the role of revelation in the process of understanding. Islamization of science in the epistemological dimension seeks to integrate the role of reason, revelation, and intuition in acquiring knowledge. This includes the recognition of the importance of revelation as a source of knowledge that coincides with reason, as well as recognition of the role of reason in understanding and in interpreting revelation. Thus, the Islamization of science in the epistemological dimension aims to enrich the way we view the source of knowledge and the process of understanding by considering the contribution of revelation and reason in a balanced manner. Axiological dimension. Axiological in the context of Islamization of science refers to the values, ethics, and goals of science viewed from an Islamic perspective. It involves the integration of Islamic axiological values into the development and application of the science. Thus, the axiological-based Islamization of science aims to ensure that science is developed and used in accordance with Islamic moral principles and values, as well as to ensure that the purpose of science is in line with the values upheld in Islamic teaching. From this material, we can conclude that Islamization of science aims to ensure that science doesn't conflict with religious values and to enrich the contribution of Muslims in the development of global science. By integrating Islamic ontology, epistemology, and axiology into science, the goal of the Islamization of science is to gain a more holistic and comprehensive understanding of the world and achieve progress in line with Islamic principles, and also attempts to strengthen the intellectual identity of Muslims and ensure that their contribution to science remain relevant and sustainable.